designed and engineered to work hard. Our air impact wrenches handle the toughest jobs, offering outstanding value. Industrial professionals will be able to release wheel nuts quickly and easily with our versatile impact wrenches. Our impact wrenches are feature-packed, giving you the power and torque you need to easily do your job. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 0.5 inches Impact Wrench Pneumatic Tool. Built to deliver outstanding performance in any job, with several product lines and a range of different potential configurations. It's easy to find the right tool for the task. All our products feature an industry-leading combination of performance, ergonomics, and durability. Everything you need to boost production and keep your team working more efficiently all day long. Number 2. Go Tough and Rugged. Designed to withstand tough use in rugged environments. This impact wrench offers greater efficiency that means less downtime, better tool performance, and less money spent on compressed air. Number 3. Heavy Duty. Our lightweight, heavy-duty, and powerful 500 feet-pounds twin-hammer pneumatic impact wrench is engineered with high-quality materials for fast and easy removal work, equipped with an 0.5 inches alloy steel head excellent for car tire rotation, removal, changing a lawnmower blade, etc. Number 4. Versatile. Unlike other brands that offer tools with limited features, our air impact wrench features 4 free speeds up to 8,000 RPM and 1 speed reverse, which enables users to utilize different speeds based on the various applications. Handle exhaust design that reduces surrounding noise level and prevents air blowing in users' work area. Number 5. User-friendly. Lightweight composite housing with ergonomic soft grip handle exhaust design provides comfort for long working hours and a secure grip for maximum control and steadiness. Slim body design molded to securely fit and balance hand torque to help reduce vibration and fatigue with less wear on your hands. Number 6. Value Kit. Our pneumatic impact wrench toolkit comes with an air impact wrench, a bottle of lubricating oil, and an air hose adapter. Number 7. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. For over 35 years we have been manufacturing and providing the best products and services to our customers at the lowest prices possible. We are confident that you will love our air impact wrench, that we will stand behind our product with a replacement or your money back. Every purchase comes with a manufacturer's limited 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.